Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your Facebook about option not showing? Don't worry, this happens after new updates. First, update your Facebook app, go to settings, open profile settings and check your about section, turn professional mode on or off. Then clear your app cache and restart Facebook. Okay, let's get started. See, this is the problem. Facebook about option not showing problem. How to fix it? First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for Facebook. Tap on the Facebook. Force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Now tap on the storage. Clear cache. Clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar, allow. Call logs, allow. Camera, allow. And contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission. Okay, go back and go to the Play Store and search for Facebook and check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated. Okay, go back and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and open your Facebook app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.